No? Yung library natin, we really lack books. As in, yung sabi ko nga, sa isang estudyante, ang kailangan nila, ang need nila is 5. Ang students ng St. Anthony's, 1,833 times 5. Accountant, please. Pagsa science. So, ang request na namin dito sa Balik Buklat is for all alumni to donate at least 2 books.
What kind of books?
Not textbooks. Research material, reference materials, reading materials, yung kahit mga pocket books, paperbacks, will do. Kahit used, basta readable, huwag lang textbook, kasi na-answer ng mga bata yun eh. So, ang plan namin, ang first plan namin is to set up parang tool, especially during card distribution day, kasama ng parenting talk. I-ano rin namin sa parents para makapag-donate sila ng books. And so, sa medical mission, gagawa rin namin ng book para mag-disseminate information for that. Kasi it will really help our students. Yung library natin, kailangan medyo lumaki ng konti. Dahil kahit na sabihin mo at this age of technology that, you know, everybody's been using computers, marami pa rin naman ang hindi makaka-afford ng computer. So, and saka, let's face it, mas mabuti yung nagbabasa. Dahil tayo, nung time natin, wala naman tayong computer. Pag research tayo, talagang research tayo sa library. Do it the long way or the hard way, di ba? So, it was really advisable for us to have, ayan yung Balik Buklat sa